Stay ahead of the curve and never miss an update with FundedNext's latest feature. Discover how you can access real-time updates on new product launches, offers, and more. Let's dive into this exciting new section that will keep you informed and enhance your trading experience. Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. Today we are thrilled to introduce a new feature in the FundedNext utilities, the announcement section. This feature is designed to keep you up to date with the latest product launches, offers, and more. Let's explore how you can make the most of this valuable addition to your trading toolkit. First, locate the announcement section at the bottom of your FundedNext dashboard. When you click on the announcement tab, you will find two different sections, What's New and Offer. What's New? In this tab, you can stay informed with all the latest updates related to FundedNext. This includes exciting news such as the launch of CTrader as a new trading platform and TradingView integration for FundedNext free trial accounts. Stay tuned to this tab to never miss an important update. Offer. The Offer tab provides detailed information about all ongoing offers at FundedNext. From special discount to exclusive promotions, this tab ensures you're always in the loop about ways to maximize your trading benefits. And that's it. By regularly checking the announcement section, you can stay informed and make the most of the opportunities at FundedNext. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updates and trading tips. Happy trading with FundedNext.